Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Grains and Beans. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style Kadhai Paneer gravy. So let's quickly get started. So let's make the Kadhai masala first, for which we need 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 2 pods of green cardamom. So first we need to add all the dry spices in a pan and then roast it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till we get a beautiful aroma out of it, and then switch off the flame and transfer the dry spices in a grinder jar and make a coarse or a fine powder out of it. So next let's see what are the other ingredients we are going to require to make the Kadhai Paneer. So I have taken 150 grams of paneer here. Then I have taken 1 medium sliced onion here. Next I have taken 7 to 8 cashew nuts. And here I have taken approximately 1 cup of cubed onions and 1 cup of tomatoes. And then here is half cup of cubed capsicum, and finally I have taken half teaspoon of ginger and half teaspoon of garlic paste. So first I need to add some oil in a pan and heat it properly, and then first I will be adding the sliced onions. I need to fry the sliced onions till it's golden brown, and then I will be adding the cashew nuts and just give it a stir for 1 minute, and then finally I will be adding the tomatoes. I need to cook the tomatoes for some time till it turns mushy. To quicken the cooking process, at this stage let's add some salt and then mix it with the onions and the tomatoes. And to turn the tomatoes mushier, let's just cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So let's remove the cover, and yes, the tomatoes have turned mushy. So I'll just fry it a little more, and then I will be transferring all the contents in the same blender jar and blend this mixture to a fine paste. Next, add some oil in the same pan and then one by one add the cubed onions and the cubed capsicum and fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till they turn golden brown. But keep in mind that they should remain crunchy and not turn soggy. Now add the paneer cubes and fry them along with the onions and the capsicum, and fry them just till they get this goldenish tinge, and this should take approximately 1 minute. So after you have fried all the onions, capsicum and paneer together, transfer them in a separate bowl and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, add the ginger garlic paste and fry them till the rawness goes away. And then add 2 tablespoons of the Kadhai masala that we had prepared in the beginning of this video. Now fry the Kadhai masala along with the ginger garlic paste for a minute or so. And then finally you need to add the onion and tomato paste. Now fry all the spices together till they release oil, and if required you can also use some water. Now when you are done, add approximately 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it with the spices, and then you are required to add some water. Now you are going to add water according to the amount of gravy you want. So add your required amount of water and let them boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the masalas are boiling, add a pinch of sugar and also some crushed kasturi methi to enhance the taste of the Kadhai Paneer. Then finally add the fried capsicum, onions and paneer to the gravy you have just prepared. Boil it for approximately 1 minute, and now your Kadhai Paneer gravy is absolutely ready. And now you can enjoy this delicious Kadhai Paneer with roti, naan or even rice. Do not forget to follow my channel for more such easy peasy recipes. I'll meet you again in my next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.